Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through the brand new way to allow displaying gifts on Telegram from specific contacts when using the app on your computer. Telegram recently rolled out an update that gives you more control over who can send you gifts, and it only takes a few moments to set it up. Let's go through the process, step by step. First, open up the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open the main menu where you can access all the settings and tools you need. From this menu, head down and select Settings. Inside the settings, go into Privacy and Security. This is where all your privacy-related options are stored, including who can contact you, who can see your information, and now with this update, who can display gifts to you. Next, find the section labeled Gifts and click on it. You're going to see different options, but to control who can share gifts, choose My Contacts. This ensures that only people you know and trust will have access. Now, to be more specific and allow certain people, click on Add Users next to the option called Always Allow. A list of your contacts will appear, and from here, simply select the people you want to give permission to. Once you've chosen your desired contacts, click Save. Telegram will then ask you to confirm your selection to make sure it's exactly what you want. Confirm the step, and that's it. You're done. From this point on, only the contacts you've allowed will be able to display gifts on your profile. It's a simple and secure way to keep your interactions more personal, while still enjoying the new gifting features that Telegram has introduced. So if you want to keep things private, while still letting your closest people share moments with you, these steps are the perfect way to do it. That's how you allow displaying gifts by specific contacts on Telegram for PC.